All right, here we go again. It's me, the Jolt Jack of all trades. We're back on the channel with a review of the latest and greatest from Potensic, the Dreamer 4K. But this is not it. If you can see, probably can't see the little sticker right there, but that little sticker says 20. And that's the name of this little drone I have from Potensic. It is the D58, I believe. All right, I got this dude at the little local dig bin, and 20 bucks. 20 bucks. Pretty case. Does all the follow you around and all that good stuff. The remote came in this nice little box. This is 199 bucks on Amazon right now. Everybody won't be so lucky as to run in the dig bin and find this thing for 20 bucks. 2 batteries, case. Let's just say the Lord set me up with a blessing, and it works. It works so well. I liked it so much I had to get this. Woohoo! The Potensic 4K Dreamer GPS. Came this morning. When I walked out the door, it was on the front porch. Let's unbox this dude and see what we have. That we're gonna get the nice little aluminum box that the other one came in. I haven't seen any videos on this, and so this may be the first unboxing. And boy, oh, there you go. Come this way. Oh, look like we upside down, or we might be right side up. So immediately we have, okay, the little paper here. How would you claim the experience was? We have some nice size blades right there. All right, ultra fiber propeller, 83WC ultra fiber propeller. All right, one with the red, one with the gray. That's got to have something to do with some positioning. We have in here some paperwork. All right, so something to get the app with. I don't know if the app that I already have will work. We'll find out, and we will do a test video. Got the book here, 4K manual. Now I'm told that with the new model, you don't have to do the spin around and the beep beep calibration setup. It's supposed to have a smart GPS. So we're anxious to find out about this. Good little stuff. We got a wedding going on around the house here not long. We're gonna try to do a little footage, but more importantly, we can use this thing when we have functions at the local congregation, Lucas Street, where I am the minister. Look at this thing. It's a big boy. 30 minutes of flight time. Pretty. Got the camera on there. 4K. It'll also shoot in 1080p. Look at that. Got the stabilizers on that. Camera gimbal. All right, so it looks good. It's heavy duty. And these are quick pop-off propellers from what I read in the reviews. That big old spot for the battery. Woo! So don't get an extra battery. They may have a updated deal later on where you get more bang for your buck, if you want to look at it that way, or a case and all that good stuff. So look, here we got more blades here. So it looks like 6 propellers coming straight in from the box. Look at that, that's a big old battery there. Hey, Potensic. Overheating. 17.4 volts. Power on, power off. It says it's got a 2-hour quick charge on that. Another thing that I like, don't see it yet, but the remote. Ooh, look at that. We got some. That's a nice charging setup. Almost like a laptop. Not like now the old one that had this little cord in it. Oh, there you go, cord. I didn't even see the cord. I was gonna show you the cord for the old one. But it's a small look. Oh, there it is. Look at that. It's a small little cord that goes into the battery. For the older version, hooks on this right here. So that's a step up in the right direction. This dude was $2.99. Get it on the Potensic site. Look like we have the micro USB still. That may be for charging. Okay, here we go. Maybe for charging though. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. The remote. Now, once again, Jack of all trades is not a pro for all these specs and tell you about all these engines and all this stuff and break it down. This is just the day-to-day dude doing stuff. All right, and we got this drone that we're excited to use. I'll be back shortly with a video of our first flight. This thing stretches out where you get a big old phone in that case. All right, I don't know where the thumb controls are right now. We will find those. I imagine they're somewhere in close there. Oh, there they go inside. Look at that. And so that looks pretty. Instead of tearing up when you store it, that's gonna be overkill, or if that's gonna work out good. Seems like a good idea though, that you don't have to worry about them getting damaged when you're transporting. All right, so looks good so far. We'll see you in the near future with a test flight video of the all new. This thing just came out a couple days ago. I think on the 8th June 2020. All right, so we'll be back with a test flight video. You know what you like. Hit that button. Peace.